Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm in the Garian. Wow, this battle turned out to be a little bit interesting for me, and not in a good way. I like this boat, I don't play it very often. It's not a bad boat. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit slower in the maneuvering, but it has a hell of a punch. Just gotta play it right. Apparently I don't know how to play it right, so this will be interesting for me. Fukushima behind me. Stalingrad. Now watch what my team does. Just pay attention. This confused me during the match. What the hell are you people doing? But watch. And I'm located. Somebody's got the location, radio location finder.
Sighted on the horizon.
And I got a new keyboard today. Well, not new, but it's new to me. So I'm getting used to it, so that didn't help me out very much. Fat Finger did a couple of times. It's a better keyboard. Went thrift store shopping today just for the hell of it. Looking for random bullshit. Found some glass bowls I liked, I needed. Actually could use, really use. Found the video Heavy Meta was looking for the other day, so I got it for him. The movie. And one of the thrift stores I went to had a freaking killer ass gaming keyboard. Took a picture of it, checked out the price online. $50 on eBay. So I said, hell yeah, for $5 I'll take the chance. And it works. Works fine.
Reporting the position of a strategic target. Torpedoes to starboard.
Steel Series keyboard? Actually, I've never even heard of that before. Now you got all kinds of gear for gamers. And this is my first whoop to right here. Watch. Watch. Detected, and I looked the wrong way. And this stutter you see is only in the replay when I'm recording it, because it's just taking up too many resources for this computer. And I should have known that was coming. And then I beat myself.
Problem solved, sir. Smoke generator started.
Yep, bigger than shit. Split my bottom open. In real life, that would have probably split my bottom open. Running over those rocks like that? Oh yeah. That much force behind it, it would have ripped the guts right out of this baby. Now you're watching my team, almost everybody's over on the other side.
Torpedoes to start.
Almost everybody. I'm going, what the hell are they doing? They're not pushing. They're not attacking, they're just waiting. Yeah, it stutters because my computer's a piece of shit. Here it comes. Summers, what are you doing, buddy? Oh, that ain't gonna hit him, is it? Yeah,
Ship is on fire.
Hit mine.
Problem solved, sir.
Ooh, I smacked him good. But he's smacking me too. And so is everybody else on this team on this side. Oh shit. Help! Talk about steel rain. Ooh, how did I survive this? Am I going to survive this? I'm no longer detected, but they're still throwing that shit out at me. Schlieffen
to capture that area. Problem solved, sir.
is not a boat I want to get spotted
Engine
by
boost deactivated.
in the best of circumstances. So, yep, I'm going, nope, you can have this flank.
Stone the crows.
There's none of my team's coming over here and helping. So to hell with that. Making, how's he say it? Billy big steps away from there. Just in case somebody gets froggy, comes around that corner. And I'm low health, so if I get spotted by anybody that hasn't shot, they're going to do everything in their power to kill me. And our sub goes down. First blood. 7 minutes into the game before we get our first kill. And the Stalinrad goes down. Boom. Or they killed us, I should say. Ooh, Des Moines dead. You know, I'm not impressed with that boat anymore. Used to be. Now all the people I see playing it are wannabes. They don't utilize it correctly. They hide behind islands and try to snipe
Smoke
people.
generator started.
Don't do a very good job of it. Okay, one of their destroyers is down. And I'm letting some smoke. Give that Yamamoto something to think about. Where the hell's that Des Moines there? I see his marker.
Engine
Last
boost
spotted
activated.
location. Ooh, do not want to be caught by the Des Moines in close range.
Smoke screen set.
One shot and that will be done. Ooh, Columbo, what are you doing? Pounding the shit out of the Vermont's what they're
Torpedoes
doing
astern.
over here.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Okay. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, there's the Des Moines. He's got his radar going. He's backing up so he can get a shot at me, I bet. Or a shot at somebody. And he took a pot shot at me. Oh, Schlieffen's dead. Dude, I didn't have that much health to spare. Our Trump went down. Our Shikishima went down. He was
Provide cover for that target.
kind of worthless anyway. But the Vermont went down. go around this island, see if I can spot that Des Moines. Des Moines. Yeah, when I first started playing this game, that was the boat for cruisers. It was Des Moines.
Engine boost
They could sit
deactivated.
at a distance and just hammer the shit out of you. And you don't see it many people doing that anymore. Mostly wannabes playing it. Glory hunters, as I call them. But my whole team has been sitting over on this side of the map for most of the game. And it's working. They're down 5, we're down 4. And that's the bloody
Concentrate fire on
boy
the enemy
I'm
warship.
looking for. Yeah, that stutters because my computer's a piece of shit. Has nothing to do with the game. My computer can't process it.
Smoke generator started.
It don't have enough oomph. Smolensk is down. Good, good, good. Popped smoke. Give the Des Moines something to sweat over. What's he gonna do?
Smoke screen set.
He's still hugging the island, but he's got 2 ships bearing down on him.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Get that sucker. Get that sucker. I'm sitting there wanting to shoot at him, but look at my health and go, nope.
Much obliged, Commander.
And the sub's got me spotted. Ah, crap. There he is.
I need intelligence.
Purdy! Look at all the
Engine
sparklies.
boost activated.
Alright, where is that sub? There's an oil slick.
Teammate.
There he
I need
is.
your support.
Bingo! Got him. And they have 1 battleship, and he's been sitting in the same spot for like 5 minutes now. And 2 destroyers. Yamamoto has not moved from that area for at least 5 minutes. I've gone halfway around the map. And we got that cap. Ooh, no more Yamamoto.
Nice work.
Roger.
And yeah, I was thinking about going through that gap. No, I changed my mind. And the Summers bought it. What the hell do they have left anyway? Another Summers. Well, I was wondering about our team. Somebody asked who's going on about
Engine
this
boost deactivated.
blank team again, pussy ass team again. I was thinking about it. I was wondering what the strategy was, but if it's dumb and it works, is it dumb? Hello, Montana. And where is... Why didn't they get the cap at sea? would have ended this game so much quicker. Oh, they're glory hunting, that's why. They're trying to win harder. Let's take
In 5 minutes.
take a chance. See if I can. Yep, I'm spotted. He's probably over there
Torpedoes, dead
left
ahead.
by now.
Torpedoes to port.
Affirmative.
Oops! Oh, almost got me.
Acknowledged.
Would only take about 1 or 2 of those, and I would have been done. Alright. He's on the other side of that island off to the right. Somewhere in the area where those rounds are going in. And of course, the genius I am, well, I'll go cut them off. See that smoke screen over there? Yeah. And this is about to be embarrassing. Shh. And I fat fingered it. Cool explosion though. Yeah, I fat fingered it. I should have had him dead to rights. I knew he was coming. Should have been ready for it. No! Hit the wrong freaking keys. New keyboard. But we won. And that's all that matters. And I did better than I thought I would. Respectable. Better than most of their team. That was me, by the way. Hey, he got the kill on. He got a kill and only got 1 kill and only got 594 points. Shit. Alright, look at the tally. I can't hit jack. Potential damage, spotting damage, not bad. Sure got beat up though. And I'm still on a week-long free premium account. So I didn't do that great, but it was a win. I don't play the gearing that much. I don't know what to tell you. But the strategy worked. Wasn't too sure about it, but it worked. Alright, there you are. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.